If you're looking for a blender that'll stand the test of time, check this out. The Vitamix Propel 510 comes with this container, 6 cups, has a lid that separates for your tamper. All 3 of these pieces are dishwasher safe, and so that's a great help. You have a mini tamper here to keep pushing down if you have thicker items that need to be checked, and your motor body right here. The on switch is up here in the front and is a little tricky to find the first time, but once you find it, then you're good to go. You'll also see on this model, we have 3 different buttons. Here's your pulse, here's your dial. So you have the 3 settings. You have the smoothie, you have a frozen dessert, kind of an ice cream treat, and then you have hot soups, which you can turn it on any of these 3 settings and just let it go, and it'll stop automatically. Now, if you need to increase it, you can take the dial and turn it to the right and increase as much as you need to get the power and the blend that you want. Over here on the left is the start and stop button. The power button, however, is located down below. So when you come to your blender, you turn on the light, see the little blue light right there, and then that'll get you ready to blend. The motor, the base is 120 volt and has the power of 2 horses, or 2 horsepower. That's what we've got working with this. One thing that's tricky about this model is the volume. Because you have 2 horsepower, because you have a lot of components working, it's not a blender that can be in the background and still have a conversation. This is going to take a lot of noise. If you're in a smaller location, if you're surrounded by neighbors who are bothered by noise, or you have a child sleeping or something, this might not be the choice for you. But if noise isn't a factor and you just really want a great blender, this would be an excellent choice to consider. Okay, so we've looked at it, we've talked about it, we've examined all the different components. Let's put it to work. We have the container right here. We're going to make a basic smoothie. You start with your liquids first to keep things moving. And I just have here a milk blend that we like, or my family likes. Then you add your powder. We have a protein powder that works for us, and maybe you have something different that works for you and your family. We'll add that next. And then you want something soft and smooth. We're going to use just a regular banana for this mix. And we always peel from the bottom because this goes a lot faster. And so I'm just going to take this. There's half and the other half. And then finally, let's put this over here. We're going to put in our berries. Our berries are frozen. They're very heavy, and so they will keep everything moving down. Okay, now all of our ingredients are in. We go down here, flip the switch, see the blue light on, and we turn it on the smoothie setting. And once it's on the setting, then you hit start. And that's it. Did you see how in the middle, how it starts at one level and then picks up speed? That's to mix your ingredients and then get them nice and fully blended. There you go. Okay, now that your delicious smoothie, you've had it, you've enjoyed it, now here, cleanup is a snap. Okay, so I've taken the container, we've had delicious smoothie, I'm all done, just clean up. This is my favorite part. It's an absolute snap. Put in just a little bit of water and a drop or 2 of dish soap. Put the lid on and then let it blend. Here we go. You can see I'm checking the lid, making sure it's all smooth. And slowly increase. The water is nice and warm, heating up, getting all of those little bits of debris particles. There you go. Bring it back to 0 and off. And then you rinse and cleanup is snap. As far as durability is concerned, this model is not the model that my family has, but we bought a Vitamix in 2008 and it has stood the test of time. We've moved around the country, and every new kitchen, we've always had our Vitamix out and ready to go. It will last for you. Bestcovery. Discovered by us, trusted by you.